Morning! Hey, down. Guess what day it is, Elvis? It's Park Run Day!
Oh, are we doing this again, are we?
Park Run Day!
Hey, where are we going? Order of the day. What are we doing today?
We are location. That's his name.
Share the location?
No, it's a secret.
Secret location. Oh yeah. So stay tuned. I already know the thumbnail for this video. No, the title. I went park running with Lil. Here's what happened. I survived park run with Lil. Right. Yeah.
We made it.
It looks really nice here. Hello, Sparge. So that's the run done. Now just go get Elvis. He's been waiting patiently. Now we're taking to the beach. You miss me. You miss me. Hey, hey.
Hello, boy. Hello. Hello. Hello, boy.
You just made his day.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, boy. Yes, hello. Yes, I'm here. Good boy.
Who is it, Elvis? Who is it, boy? It's Splodge. Splodge. Oh, that's nice. Hey, boy! Oh. you want to tell me about your run?
Oh, it's hard. Did you see me at any point? Oh yeah, no, I did see you.
We saw you twice.
I saw you twice. Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, it was fun.
Hard, but...
It was hard, but it's a good... I quite like that course because you see each other multiple times and you never like...
It was hard based on the effort you put in. The course was actually lovely.
Yeah,
very flat.
The course is really nice.
Not even windy.
Yeah.
There's a nice cool breeze
If
actually.
you took it as an easy run, then it would be, yeah.
So thumbs up.
Amazing, yeah, and a really good run actually.
Best one we've done so far this year.
It's probably one of my favourites. Yeah. If we got parked
Elvis,
somewhere...
Elvis, oi!
But there's a dog on that bit.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be. Come on. You.
You're in the way.
You're gonna get us in trouble, boy.
He got excited.
Hey.
Yeah, so it was a nice run. I started off like at my PB 5k pace, and I held that for the first 2k, and then it was like a slow decline, and then I picked it back up towards the end.
Yeah, we started at the front for once, accidentally.
Yeah,
I think I was filming that, and I think you'll just see every single person running past me, like I'm going backwards. And then
yeah, but that must feel good because then later on you're probably passing them.
No.
Right? Oh, right.
No, because I started in front of the people I would normally pass.
Oh, I see.
So.
Yeah, so it started strong. The middle was like, hold on, and then finished quite strong, I think. It's all right. Hard effort though. But I got my fastest time of the year, so coming back from injury, it's pretty good.
Your time would be my second fastest park run ever. And you don't even run. How do you do it?
I got a sub 22. My first sub 22 of the year. Actually, my third sub 22 ever. I've only ever ran twice as under 22, and that was in a race. So.
Right. Anything else you want to get out before I stop filming about this run? No, that's all. What is that? Hello? Hey boy, come here. No.
How was your park run? Did you deload your park run?
Did I? What do you mean? Did I load my park run?
Deload. Have you deloaded?
Deload?
Yeah. Review your park run.
Debrief.
Debrief.
Yeah, it was fine.
Fun?
I just did a tempo run.
Yeah. Nice.
Didn't fancy killing myself this morning, but also I didn't want to take it too easy. So yeah, I think I probably did maybe just under 20.
It's Mr. Ollie. So.
24. Don't know. We'll see. I got what I wanted to out of it. Nice to do a flat one for a change.
Yeah, it was really, wasn't it?
Flat tarmac one.
It was very nice to do a flat one for a change. Although in some ways it makes you, when I feel like the ones that aren't flat make you like stop and breathe a bit more, so in that regard.
He's lost his ball. Elvis!
He found Mr. Ollie though. I think he wants to play with Mr. Elvis.
Elvis in his shadow.
Woo! Is it puppy love? You gonna fight back, Elvis? You gonna fight back?
Yeah, Elvis wins, as always.
Wow, straight away! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's found something better. Yeah, but this is more fun. Elvis, finish your job.
Elvis, you have a job to do. For training. For training. What's really annoying is he did an amazing.
down, down.
Get down, boy. Get down. True. Fun. Right, we're just heading back now.
Yeah, we had a nice lunch. What, lunch? Breakfast? Brunch?
Brunch.
It's about 11 o'clock, I think. Nice brunch. We're heading back down the beach. We're going to check out the town. We're going to get some dinner for tonight.
Yeah, we'll go check out Littlehampton town centre.
Yeah, see what's hitting the town.
Huh?
See what's hitting the town.
What does that mean?
See what's going.
See what's popping.
See what's blazing. Right, Elvis, should we see what's popping?
Yeah, so we're going to Littlehampton town centre to see what's blazing.
See what's blazing. Pull you down. We're gonna go for ice cream. Me and Elvis. Me and Elvis gonna go for ice cream. Grade's gonna get a bacon butty.
Ice cream? So here we are in the centre. Anything blazing?
Yeah, the red shop.
Don't get run over, boy.
Actually, let's look in the shade.
Shade. Good idea.
It's not like Worthing High Street, isn't it? Maybe a bit nicer. Elvis has taken us into a goodie shop. Ooh. Ooh.
Wrap it up here. Yeah. So this is the end of today's vlog now.
Is it? It's only midday.
Yeah, but we're on our way back home. Town wasn't really popping off.
Nah, there's nothing there. Although we'd get some goodies.
Maybe a mistake going in.
Nah.
If you come to Littlehampton, go to the beach.
Yeah, you're not going to the high street, really.
Oh, Elvis, you're gonna have to sit. Are you still rolling?
Yeah.
Still rolling. Yeah. So that's a wrap. Highlight of the day so far?
The park run.
The park run. Mine was when we were walking on the beach. We were doing a bit of training with Elvis, and this old lady came up to us and said,
Oh,
I loved you watching you doing that with him. Highlight of my day. And that was probably the highlight of my day.
Yeah, she was nice.
She was nice. Yes, everyone loves Elvis. Most people love Elvis. You still filming? Right, bye.
Oh, we're doing a terrible job today, I think.
Yeah, we're just doing it for fun.
Oops, still rolling. Hey, how do I stop this?
Did you press it?
Yeah.
Stop. Oh, come on, GoPro.